Today, I'm going to walk you through a live test regarding grid trading bots and the number of grids. I will set up 2 trading bots, one with fewer grids, which means a larger percentage gap and more profit per grid, and another with an incredible number of grids, resulting in much less profit per grid, but also an incredible number of trades taking place. Why am I doing this? Someone in my Telegram community asked me how I set up this grid trading bot. And if I now go to the parameters, we have a grid trading bot here that only has 30 grids. It has 0.76% profit per grid, which is very, very healthy. This means you can take quite a bit of profit here, and that's already after fees within a price range from 170,000 to 135,000. But the question was, why not 500 grids? That's what he heard, after all. Why do you hear about 500 grids or such a large number in general? Maybe I'll reveal that to you at the end of the video as well. But let's take a look at it now. I've prepared 2 grid trading bots. Here we have one with a lot of grids. We have a price range from 100,000 to 135,000 US dollars with 190 grids. That means we have 0.05% profit per grid here, already after deducting the fees. And then I've prepared a second grid trading bot. It has the same price range, but only 51 grids with 0.5% profit per grid, also already after deducting the fees. We'll start both of them for the test with 50 US dollars. Yes, I'm doing this live with you right now. But the big question, of course, is it really worth it to take such small profits? But if we scroll down into these grids here, we can see how often it happens for these grids to be triggered. Bought, sold, then sold again here, bought again. Yes, so this obviously happens incredibly often here. Or does it make more sense to have a few less grids so it happens less frequently, but then also the fees? And we must not forget the trading fees are also crucial in determining how much profit remains. And overall, at the end of the video, I'll show you both the short-term and long-term results. What were the outcomes, for example, after 1 week, but also after 2 or 3 weeks? Which one paid off more? Since we have the same investment and the same starting point, we can actually say at the end, which one really pays off more? Is it the case that having many grids means you take profits more often? But of course, these are in very, very small amounts, and you also incur more trading fees. Or is it better to have fewer grids where you take profits less frequently, but each profit you take is significantly higher, in this case 10 times higher, and you have fewer trading fees? As a small example, here we have 0.5, so we can compare it again to 0.05. So we will test it at 10 times the value and then see what the results are. All right, without further ado, I'll click on the first one to start it. This one is now created, and then we'll go straight to the second one and start that as well. Now both have the same starting point. Now I have 2 new grid trading bots open, and as you can see here, they're both running now. Before we continue with the results, yes, maybe also check out my channel. Guys, I have the intro video here. Take a look at it. It's really exciting. It's also being used really well in the community. 100% passive income on autopilot. I've been doing this for such a long time, and it just works wonderfully. I do this in the spot market, but it also works in the futures market. It's also a trading bot that you can set up yourself on the exchanges. In this case, I'm showing it with Bitget. But if you're more interested in grid trading bots, check out my playlists. For this first bot tutorial that I showed you above, I have a complete playlist that shows you how everything is set up, what the tutorial is like, and how it all works in detail. But I also have a grid trading bot live test. I'm regularly live, yes, I stream this with you, and together we set up grid trading bots, look at the results, see where mistakes are made, and distinguish between volatile altcoins and other coins. That's why I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, gave my video a like, and maybe even left a comment. If you want to try this out for free as well, maybe check out the link in the video description. There's currently a bonus, so up to 1,000 US dollars from Pionex, which is where I set all of this up. But if you complete KYC level 2, you'll even get 50 USDT as a grid bonus credit, which you can use risk-free to open a grid trading bot. Additionally, depending on your deposit, there's a futures grid bonus of up to 1,000 US dollars. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Now, let's continue with the results. The first update for you is ready. It's now been a week since I created the trading bots. And as you can see, that was around 115,000 US dollars. We were in the red, then a bit in the green, and now back in the red again. And overall, both trading bots now have a small loss of 1.36 and 1.42% respectively. Now, of course, the question is, which one generated less of a loss? And that's what we're going to look at in detail now. And here we see the very first bot with 51 grids now has an overall loss of 1.36%. And if we compare that to the one with 190 grids, it now has a loss of 1.42%. That doesn't mean anything yet. We've only had 1 week, and for most of the time we've actually been in the red. But what can we already determine at this point? Here we have the grid profit that has already been generated and set aside. And for the one with 190 grids, it's at 0.08. This means that at the current point in time, we have almost 3 times as much profit with the one using 51 grids. I'll let it run for another week, maybe even 2. Let's see where the price goes. But as a small initial result, we can already see that with 51 grids, each grid simply generates a bit more profit percentage-wise and overall delivers better performance. Why? We just need to take a look at it. With the one using 51 grids, we triggered grids 23 times. But if we compare that to the other one, it triggered the grids 310 times. And of course that means I only pay trading fees for buying and selling 23 times here. But here I paid them 310 times. And that's obviously quite a bit more. If I'm not mistaken, that's about 15 times as much in trading fees that we've paid here. And over the long term, that would certainly add up if you end up paying an incredible amount in trading fees, especially if you plan to let this trading bot run for a longer period. But that was just the first update. I will now afterwards add the next update after 2 or 3 weeks, depending on where we stand at that point. Then we'll actually do a final review and see what has really happened over the longer period and which of the 2 bots has generated more profit, assuming of course that the price recovers a bit. Alright guys, we have a final result. It's been almost 14 days now, actually 13 days and 3 hours. I'm just traveling at the moment. You can also see it from the slightly changed setup, but we have a result that speaks for itself. And I'm curious, what do you think? Which one performed better? 51 grids with a 0.5% gap per grid, or the one with 191 grids and a 0.05% gap per grid? Maybe let me know in the comments right now. You can quickly write something in. And now we'll take a detailed look at the numbers and of course analyze them. As a small comparison, here you can see again how often the bot with 51 grids was triggered. And as another small example for comparison, here is the one with 190 grids. How often this happens here? I also did a small poll in the Telegram group, and in fact it was evenly split. It was almost 50-50, so the community wasn't quite in agreement here, so there was no clear result. Let's get into the details. And now we see here, this is the one with 51 grids. Let's take a closer look at this one as well. We have an actual realized grid profit of 0.42%. Of course, that's not a lot, but we did this in the spot market. And what we also did was invest a very, very small amount. That doesn't really look like much. Overall, including the open positions, it's now 1.07% that was actually generated in the 2 weeks. A total of 45 grid trades were completed here. Just in the last 24 hours, there were 3 trades. And all of this compared to the one with 190 grids. If you look at this here, we have 0.15% actual realized grid profit. Overall, we're now just under 0.8% in profit, and over the entire period, it completed 555 grid trades, with 53 of those just in the last 24 hours. If we now compare this data together, there is a clear winner. And in fact, it's the one with 51 grids. By the way, we'll go through it again later. It's not just about the number of grids, but if I click in here now, it's very important to pay attention to the parameters. Because if you have a much larger price range, then of course you can also add more grids. My price range is now between 100,000 and 135,000 US dollars. But if I were to say now I'll do it from 50,000 to 150,000, then of course I can add a lot more grids. But I should, and this is what I want to share with you, not set a profit per grid below at least 0.4 or 0.5%. Because in comparison here, it only has a tenth if we look at the parameters. That means we have 0.05%. And you can see that the one with 51 grids, or with 0.5% profit per grid, achieved nearly 3 times the profit. And even now, if we look at it, the open P&L is about 20% higher than the one with 190 grids. That means we have a clear winner. Also in terms of the total annualized profit, what is calculated here is just under 31% compared to just under 23%. So if someone tells you in the future that you need to set at least 200 grids in your grid trading bots, or maybe even 300 or 500, you should definitely compare. What is the profit per grid? Because as I mentioned earlier, with my current price range, it doesn't really make much sense to add more grids here, since the fees gradually eat away at some of my profit, even if we are overall profitable. But the numbers we have here, 556 to 45 rounds, which are the grid trades that were completed here, clearly show how often trading fees were paid, whereas this was not the case here, which brings us to the final results. This means that if someone tells you to set up 200 grids, it's absolutely essential to pay attention to the price range. Because what really matters is the profit per grid. If we scroll down a bit further, I also have other grid trading bots. This one is a Bitcoin 10x long, so in the futures sector. If we look at the parameters here, by the way, it has already generated really good profits, 25% in 18 days. And if we look at the parameters here, that's 0.76%. You might think to yourself, hey, with a high number of grids, I'm making an incredible number of trades and always taking a bit of profit here. But never forget the trading fees. And the one with 0.76%, which in my opinion is very healthy, but also the 0.5, as we saw earlier, is still very good. For me, those are healthy trades. Now imagine you're trading manually, opening a trade and then closing it again with just 0.05% profit. That's really not much. And that's where you would also see in comparison, how much did you actually pay in fees for a manual trade compared to the profit you generated? So don't just stick to a certain number of grids, but focus on the profit per grid. Let me know, did you expect the final result to turn out this way, that the one with fewer grids or a slightly larger profit gap would actually come out as the clear winner? I'm really curious to hear your opinion. Maybe take another look at my channel as well. Recently I've published a few videos that have been very well received by the community. A trading strategy that's as simple as it is rare, and it works every time. The simplest trading strategy, and you're not using it yet. It's really that easy to apply. You can place limit orders here and then basically let the trade work for you with a super interesting risk-reward ratio. And in addition, I've made another video for you. 99% don't use it. It's a tool that institutional traders out there actually use, but you can also use it to your advantage for your own trading strategy. Exactly, and if you really haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please leave me a subscription. I'll also be going live again at the end of this week. We'll open a few more grid trading bots then, and also check the link in the video description in case the current Pionex promotion is no longer active. You can actually test it for free. By the time this video is released, there will probably already be a new promotion where you can once again test everything risk-free with grid trading bot credit and get a bit of a feel for it. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you next time. Ciao ciao.